What's up, carnivores? In this video, Grill Sergeant and American Smoke are teaming up to bring you our top 10 barbecue tools for the backyard barbecue pitmaster.
Now, to help you out, we listed all items talked about in this video in the description below. And you're gonna wanna watch this video to the end, or else.
And he's not kidding, we'll find you. First on our list is the grill guns from GrillBlazer. There's the sous vide gun and the grill gun. Both of these are guaranteed to give you legendary status in the gift giving arena. You can sear your foods, light your charcoals in record time, or just start a campfire. You can even use these things to keep the weeds around your house at bay. If you want to see somebody's eyes light up and their day be made, get them a grill gun.
All right, next up is the SpitJack meat injector. I use this on everything. If you can put it on the smoker, you can inject it. This is great for brisket, pulled pork, chicken, turkey, a croissant, whatever you want to use. It has a dial on the back for how much injection you want to use, and it gives you a variety of needles. If you're looking to raise your barbecue game, this is a good injector to check out.
There are very few barbecue tools in my barbecue arsenal that I enjoy and love more than my GrillGrates. There is something so satisfying about pulling a steak off of these GrillGrates and seeing the perfect sear lines that they produce. It's just intoxicating and it is addictive. Once you've seen these GrillGrates and you've had them on your food, there's no going back. Made of anodized aluminum, they funnel the heat up to the top of the grate to produce the perfect sear mark in a very quick amount of time on whatever you're cooking on your grill. If you're wanting to get a great gift that will always be appreciated and always be used, buy the GrillGrates for the barbecue pitmaster in your life.
A clean grill is a happy grill. So next up is the Grill Rescue Grill Brush. This thing is in use before and after I do a cook. Let me show you how it's done. Super simple. All you got to do is make sure the grill is at 400 degrees. Dunk it in some water. I usually like pressing down, and that kind of soaks it into the sponge little thing right here. And now it's ready to go. Just comes in here, and it's very quick. You can do 2 passes if you like, but it uses the steam to actually get this grill clean. That's it.
One of the cheapest items on our list today is also one of the most useful and most heavily used in my personal barbecue experience, the smoke tube. This one is from the Amazing brand. It's adjustable from 6 inches out to 12 inches. You can put smoke on your barbecue in your pellet grill if you want extra smoke, or you can add these to a gas grill, charcoal grill, whatever, to get a nice smoke flavor on the food that you're preparing. You can even do cold smoked cheeses, fishes, anything that needs smoke. This is the answer. If someone came to my house and stole my smoke tube, I will be going out later that day to get another one. It's that useful, and it's guaranteed to be a heavily used, heavily appreciated gift for the backyard barbecue pitmaster.
Having a pair of heavy-duty barbecue gloves is an absolute game changer. When you're pulling your brisket off or pulled pork, and that is over 200 degrees, these little bad boys come in handy. Now, what I like about the MagneCHEF Freedom gloves is 3 things. 1, you actually have access to all your fingers here. There's been earlier versions that made you look like a Ninja Turtle. Some of the fingers were like webbed together. I wasn't a huge fan of that, but these ones give you all access to your fingers. They can protect you for over 900 degrees worth of heat, and there's an actual magnetic clip. So if there's actually something hot, you don't actually need to grab your gloves to get it off. You can actually use the magnet that's on here to help actually slide and get your gloves off. So that's pretty cool, and they double up as boxing gloves because your barbecue is going to be a knockout. Oh.
No backyard barbecue pitmaster is complete without a good meat thermometer, and there is no better meat thermometer on the planet than the Thermapen ONE. It has 1 second of read time within 1/2 a degree. If your barbecue pitmaster has had trouble getting the perfect results every time and gets super frustrated when they don't get the perfect results the way me and everybody else that makes barbecue does, what they need is a good meat thermometer. If you're cooking to internal temp, you're cooking perfectly every time. If you already have a meat pen, perhaps a meter wireless thermometer might be a better option for the person that you're buying for. Put this into your protein, check it on your phone. It'll alert you when it's time to pull the protein out of the smoke or off the grill or out of the oven or whatever. And you'll be on it, doggone it. My top pick for meat thermometers is the ThermoWorks Thermapen ONE.
All right, this little tool right here holds a special place in my heart. This is the Oklahoma Joe Hawg lifter. This thing is a massive spatula. Its sole purpose is lifting large chunks of meat, mainly pork butt and brisket, off from the smoker. And when I need to like wrap it, I can literally go in, lift it off the smoker, and then place it where I need to wrap it, and then use this to put it back on. So this thing is a big freaking spatula, gets the job done. And right here, this little bottle opener here, so when you're lifting that heavy meat, you got to stay hydrated. I love this thing. Very simple to use, and it gets the job done.
DALSTRONG knives are the epitome of barbecue sophistication, from the Damascus steel to the full tang construction of the handle to all of the details that go into making these things exquisite. The quality of the steel, the edge that it holds, the way it feels when you pull it through a brisket, excellent. If you want to be a hero in the gift giving arena, get your backyard barbecue Pitmaster a DALSTRONG knife. There are styles and designs to fit anybody in anybody's taste. So make sure that if you're considering a gift, put DALSTRONG knives on your list.
What this tool is it will take any knife that you are using and give it a nice sharp edge before you actually go to cutting your meat. And it not only does put an edge on, if you either wanted to hone it, sharpen it, or put an edge on it, it actually gives you all these slots to do what you need to do to actually get your knife sharp as can be. I'll show you how easy it is to work. You literally find the angle of the blade that you're actually using, and it actually gives you a guide in the middle. Now I'm going to show you real time right now. We're going to put a nice edge on this bad boy. And this is what I do every time before I slice into my brisket. I'm going to take a piece of paper right here, and we're just going to go right down. I mean, it's just like a hot knife through butter. This thing gets wicked sharp, and before I slice into brisket or a nice steak, I'll whip out this tool, and this Angle Grinder Pro will sharpen all my knives. Definitely worth checking out. Well guys, that concludes our video. If you have any good gift ideas, leave them in the comments below. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Ho, 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 ho.